Dear friends, have a nice day. Friends, today we will discuss about H parameter equivalent circuit for any general two-port network. So far today we have discussed about the equations of two-port network. These are for input voltage V1 and second equation is for output current I2. Now these two equations we have to utilize in hybrid model of this two-port network. Please try to concentrate on this circuit. In this circuit, to the left side there is VBE, or just we can say this is nothing but input voltage V1. Here is input current I1 on right side, that means towards port 2 there is output voltage, it is VCE. To be particularly, this is nothing but output voltage V2, and here is output current IC, it is nothing but current I2 flowing inside this circuit. Now these are input and output quantities. Now if we talk about hybrid parameters, now in above equation for V1 the parameters are H11 and H12. Now these parameters, they are shown in this particular hybrid model. Here if we see this one, this is HIE, which is nothing but H11 and it is nothing but the input impedance of the circuit. If we take this second parameter, this is nothing but H12 from above equation, which is a voltage source. Then if we see towards right side, this is HFE, this is nothing but parameter H21, which is the current source. And if we look toward this fourth parameter, it is HOE, nothing but output admittance. This is also taken as H22 in case of this above equation. Now again, if we see on bottom side of this slide, here we can get, see this HIE is nothing but H11. This HRE, this is nothing but parameter H12. Same happens with this HFE, it is equals to H21, and last HOE equals to H22. This is nothing but output admittance of this circuit. Now this is the exact location of all these four H parameters into this hybrid model or H parameter equivalent circuit. Now come to next slide. Here we need this same circuit, so I have taken this circuit here also. Now come to its four parameters. As you know, these hybrid parameters, they are named as hybrid because these are the mixing of various dimensions, various units. Like first, it is having the unit of impedance. Second parameter is having unit of admittance, and remaining two parameters, they are dimensionless or unitless, and that is why due to this variety of parameters, variety of units, they are called as hybrid parameters. Now we are interested in finding the hybrid parameters in common emitter mode transistor circuit. We will go in detail about these details, but here come to this H parameters and its indications. Now, if we see the first row of this table, here it is H11 equals to HIE. Here HIE, this is called as input impedance, which unit is ohm. Try to concentrate on this suffix IE. Here this I indicates input impedance and the second E indicates the common emitter mode of transistor. So, this HIE, this complete parameter indicates the input impedance of common emitter transistor, and of course H indicates hybrid parameter. Similarly, if we come to second row where it is indicated as H12 equals to HRE. Here H indicates hybrid parameter, R indicates this reverse voltage ratio, and E indicates common emitter mode. One more thing, that reverse voltage ratio, because it is a ratio of two voltages, that is why it is dimensionless. If we come to third row, here H21 equals to HFE. Here H indicates hybrid parameter, F indicates forward current transfer ratio. Once again, as it is the ratio of two currents, that is why it is dimensionless. And last suffix E indicates common emitter mode. Similarly, in last row, here H22 equals to HOE. As in last case, H indicates hybrid parameter, O indicates output admittance, and E, that is last suffix, indicates common emitter mode. So, in this way we can apply these indications to any kind of mode, that means either common emitter or common base or common collector. In case of common base, instead of this HIE, it will be HIB. In case of HRE, it will be HRB. In case of HFE, it will be HFB, and in case of last HOE, for common base mode, it will be HOB. And of course, similarly happens with common collector. So, just come to next slide. Actually, we are interested in finding the hybrid parameter model for common emitter mode. Now, come to this circuit. This is very simple NPN transistor connected in common emitter mode. Here this emitter terminal, see this terminal, it is common towards input and it is also common towards output. That is why it is called as common emitter mode or CE configuration of transistor. Now, in this case, if we take its input voltage, this Vi, this is nothing but the voltage applied between base and emitter. Similarly, if we take output voltage, this is nothing but the voltage taken across collector and emitter. That means, in both cases, emitter is common to input and output. Now, come to second circuit. you can watch this. This is a transistor connected in common base configuration or common base mode. Already all these circuits like common emitter, common base and common collector we have discussed in detail in first year in case of study of transistors. Okay, now come to next slide. Now here also we are interested in finding the hybrid equivalent circuit for common emitter transistor mode. Now see, as usual the circuit is shown above. This is general circuit of CE mode and we are interested in finding its hybrid model or H parameter equivalent circuit of above circuit. Now in this circuit, I try to concentrate on equation. First, here it is VBE, we can say input voltage VBE, or it is also written as VI. See here it is written. We can write it either way, VBE or VI, both are having the indication of input voltage. Now that input voltage equals to HIE into IB plus HRE into VCE. Now in this particular case, this IB is nothing but input current, this VBE is nothing but input voltage. Same happens with port 2, this VCE is output voltage or voltage V2, and this IC, this is output current or current I2. Many times it is also taken as IO. That means IO or IC or I2. They are all indications for output current. Now come to this H parameter circuit. Again here this first parameter HIE, here it is equivalent of H11 parameter. This second, this is voltage source. This third, it is current source, and fourth parameter, it is nothing but output admittance. Now in all cases, the suffix HIE, of course E in each case indicates common emitter mode, H indicates hybrid parameter, and whether it is I in HIE indicates input impedance, R indicates reverse voltage ratio, F indicates forward current gain, and this O indicates output admittance. Now one more thing here, these equations for input voltage, it is written as like this, HIE into IB plus HRE into VCE. Here VCE is output voltage. Now same equation, this can be written in terms of hybrid parameters like H11 into IB. Here IB is input current plus H12 into VCE. As usual, we have discussed VCE is this output voltage. And second equation for output current or IO, it is equals to HFE into IB plus HOE into VCE. Now same equation can written in other way like this, H21 into IB plus H22 into VCE. Here all these parameters HIE, HRE, HFE and HOE, they are mentioned in this particular H parameter equivalent circuit. Now hereafter we have to derive expressions to analyze this particular circuit, and that equations we will discuss in next slide. So just we should stop here.